Carlos Ramirez, owner of NBS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey and Daytona, Florida. So we just finished up this beautiful brand new 2025 Road Glide. And on this Road Glide, we also installed the A10 Moto off-road ap6 LED headlight kit. These headlight kits have become extremely popular, and more companies are starting to make them for the new platform 23.5, 2024, and 2025 Street Glide and Road Glide. The fit and finish on this kit was incredible. It went back together perfectly. The tolerances for the fairing I was very impressed with. We also did our stage 1 audio upgrade kit on this bike too. So now the front of the bike looks totally different. He's got plenty of light output, and the bike sounds amazing too. So it's 2-speaker setup. He'll be upgrading probably late in the summer to a 4-speaker setup, but he's happy now. He can hear the bike on the highway, couldn't hear it on the highway before, and now he can see at night with these extremely bright headlights. Check out the build. For the audio upgrade, we went with our NVS Audio plug-and-play harness for the 2023, 2024, and 2025 Harley-Davidson Road Glide and Street Glide. It keeps the factory amplifier in play, and then we're able to put another amplifier right in front of it in the factory location. In our stage 1 kit, there's absolutely no cutting or splicing. We ran a Cicada ap6 amplifier, Cicada Cxx, component speakers in the fairing, and our AK1 wiring kit. It was nice, simple, smooth, drop in, no cutting, no modifying at all, and it sounds really, really good.